We're gonna start this spooky project with a medium-size brush and red paint. We'll create an outline for the top part of the pumpkin. Next, we'll add couple curved lines from the top of the pumpkin to the bottom of the artwork. We'll create a shadow by adding red brush strokes on the bottom of the pumpkin. Next, you can dip your brush in orange paint and cover the rest of the pumpkin in orange. You can overlap the red part to blend it with orange. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in yellow and add yellow highlights on top of the orange parts. Now we'll paint a round moon above the pumpkin. First you'll create an outline of a circle, then you'll paint it in. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can use white paint to add brush strokes on top of the moon to add texture. After wiping your medium-sized brush, you can dip it in purple and outline moon and pumpkin. You can grab your large brush to cover the rest of the artwork in purple paint. You can add second layer if the paint is too transparent. You can dip your brush in white paint and add couple white brush strokes around the moon. Then you can blend it with purple. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and black paint. We'll create an outline for two triangles for eyes. Next, you can paint in both triangles. We'll paint another triangle for a nose. After completing an outline, you can paint it in. We'll paint an outline for a mouth. We'll add an outline for two teeth on top and one tooth on the bottom. Now you can paint it in. Next, you can dip your small brush in brown paint and add a stem. We'll start by creating a triangle shape and then we'll add a spiral on top. Now you can paint it in. We'll use black paint to add shadows on the stem. We'll add couple brush strokes on one side of the stem. To paint a bat, we'll create a circle next to the moon. Then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll add two wings, one on each side. To paint bottom part of the wing, we'll add multiple arches next to each other. Now you can paint in both wings. Next, we'll add two small ears. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint. We'll be adding a yellow line under eyes, nose and mouth. Next, we'll add a yellow highlight on the left side of eyes and nose. We'll add a yellow highlight to the right side of each tooth. Now you can add 2 yellow dots to create eyes for the bat. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to add highlights to a stem. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.